we're going to drain this cyst here. We've numbed the area.
Yeah, it's numb.
It feels pretty numb, yep.
Yeah, very
We're
numb.
gonna try to figure out what's in there and send it to the lab. What have you been retired for?
Oh, just I think about 2-3 years now. That's all.
How are you enjoying retirement?
Yeah, it's almost as busy as when you are working full time. It turns out, yeah.
Is that right?
Yeah, you end up taking up projects. Oh, because we have a house. The backyard is Clay Road. We have a house in Bear Creek.
Okay.
And do you remember Hurricane Harvey?
Yes.
We got 7 feet of water in the house.
Oh my goodness.
They flooded us on purpose. That part of Bear Creek from between Walmart and Clay Road. They flooded it on purpose.
So it kind of drains away from here?
To save
All right.
to save the people that live along Buffalo Bayou and downtown. They used us as a scapegoat. So they flooded us on purpose.
Look at that. Oh. Oh, I need to also look at the formula.
Yeah, oh, that's all right.
Can we open the formula?
Yeah, flooded us on purpose.
I know they were trying, the downtown.
They wanted to, if they hadn't done that, then Buffalo Bayou would have gotten more flooded.
7 feet of water. Wow.
Oh yeah, lost everything. We left on a boat.
Oh my goodness.
Does you mean the little white spot in? That's fine.
Yeah, we'll just let's do that. Any pain?
What's that?
Any pain?
No.
Okay, all right.
Nope. You did
Open the.
fantastic.
Yeah. So this doesn't look like a typical ganglion cyst. So I don't know what it is. I am curious to find out when we send it to the lab. That's why I like to do a biopsy.
Is that dorsal?
Oh, absolutely.
It's a anterior ankle.
It's different
Ooh.
kinds of different kinds of cysts.
Oh, me.
I missed. Oh.
You squirted yourself? Not good.
No bueno. Have more.
You have
More. Yeah. The more they can get, the more they can use the.
Just para get alcohol. Did it come up?
Mm-hmm. Okay, well, nothing else is coming out. Let me get a Band-Aid. So let's see. It'll take about a week or two to hear back from pathology.